iPX is a fantastic event. I've been coming here now for the last couple of years. It's really well run, great content, great presenters, great entertainment as well. The guys at Impact really put on a brilliant show every year at IPX.
iPX 2024 is going nuts. Adam talked a lot about community and how you bring community together with partnerships, and I think this is a really good execution of community. I think it's the collaboration of getting the industry together. Like there's clients here, there's partners here, there's platform people here. Everybody's working towards the same goal of lifting up the affiliate industry. So for us, that's really important.
Highlight of the season in terms of the media partners. Yeah, the content's great. Learned a lot of the new features that we're excited to adopt.
It's been awesome. I love the city of Sydney. It's great energy in the place. I think it's been awesome engaging speakers, hearing about the best part of marketing, loving where affiliate marketing is now becoming partnership marketing and having that full circle suite. The thing I love about Impact.com is just the ease of platform. I'm loving where it's going, the full suite of products around not just affiliate marketing, but also that full funnel of marketing, whether it's creator, advocate. And I think, also the people, they really care about Merry People as a brand and where we're going, and they're constantly going out of their way to provide proactive feedback on how we can be better. Incredibly insightful speakers, wonderful venue, great hospitality. It's good fun.